First of all, if you acquire a bot for the first time, okay, let's say you have gotten a bot today. Okay, let's example for those who usually give 100 bots. Let's say I've given you 100 bots today. Please don't go and start using that bot in your real account directly. No. What you do is you start practicing with them in demo. Basically, you go and test them in demo, okay, in various markets, basically to see the performance of the bot, to understand how it works, to understand the settings. And then if you have any questions about how it works and all that, you can ask now. You can ask me or ask anyone you got the bot from. Okay, so what basically this helps you understand how that bot works. Because if you just buy a bot today and you load it into your real account and you start running it without even knowing how it is working, you might end up being messed up. Okay, so it is good for you to understand how the bot works, how to set it up, how to set the martingale, how to set the stop loss, how to set the initial amount, the win amount, the ticks, the prediction. You should know everything concerning that bot in and out. You should understand it to the core, and you understand it by basically practicing in demo as much as possible and asking questions wherever you don't understand. Okay.